Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create Steam account. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Steam. Then there you will see options like log in and create Steam account. So of course you have to click that create Steam account. So as you can see here, don't have an account yet. So create an account. Tap this one. And then here, they just need the following information, not tons of information, just your email address, confirm email address, country of residence, and then click this I'm not a robot. You just have to verify that you're 100% human, and then tap this box here that saying you are a 13 years of age and above. Okay, once done, click confirm, and then as you can see, you have to check your email address to verify your Steam account. So you just have to tap that, and then there, you can now simply create your Steam account name. So here I'm going to use the name Andrea, okay, and then choose your password here. Okay, if this name is not available, then they will suggest a name for you. Okay, and then after that, you can now proceed. So you can save your username and password. So the next time that you open your Steam account, you will just log in directly. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to install, you just have to tap this install Steam here and then click install Steam. Then it will notify up here that you are starting to download. Open the file folder, right click run as administrator. And then after that, you just have to click next, next, install, next, and so on. So after that, okay, Steam will pop up, and all you have to do is simply enter your username and also your password. As easy as that. So that's how you create Steam account. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.